Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to Microbe Mania. In today's video, we are diving into the microscopic world to understand the structure and classification of microbes. From the tiniest bacteria to fungi and viruses, microbes play a major role in ecosystems, health, and even industry. So, let's break it down. What are microbes? First things first, let's define what microbes actually are. Microbes are tiny organisms that are so small, you need a microscope to see them. They come in various forms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Though they are small, microbes are incredibly diverse and play crucial roles in everything from digestion to disease and even climate regulation. Structure of microbes. Now, let's take a closer look at their structures. The structure of microbes varies greatly between different types, but let's focus on a few key groups: bacteria, viruses, and fungi. First, bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled organisms. Their structure includes a cell membrane that acts as a barrier, a cytoplasm where the cell's metabolic activities take place, and ribosomes that help make proteins. Many bacteria also have a cell wall for added protection, and some even have a flagella or cilia for movement. Next, viruses. Viruses are quite different. Unlike bacteria, they are not even considered true cells. A virus consists of a nucleic acid core, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein coat called a capsid. Some viruses also have an envelope derived from the host cell membrane. Since viruses can't carry out metabolic processes on their own, they need a host cell to reproduce. Now, fungi. Fungi, like molds and yeasts, are more complex. They have a cell wall made of chitin and are made up of hyphae, which are thread-like structures. These structures form a network called a mycelium. Fungi can be single-celled, like yeast, or multicellular, like molds. Classification of microbes. Now, let's talk about how scientists classify these diverse microbes. Microbial classification is based on several factors, such as genetic similarities, morphology, and how they obtain nutrients. Bacteria. First up, bacteria. They are classified into two main groups based on their cell wall structure, gram-positive and gram-negative, which helps scientists understand how they react to certain treatments. Bacteria are further categorized into genera and species. Viruses. Viruses are classified by their genetic material, DNA or RNA, and their shape. The International Committee on Taxonomy of Viruses, ICTV, oversees the naming and classification of viruses. Fungi. Fungi are classified into groups like Ascomycota, Basidiomycota, and Zygomycota based on their reproductive methods. Fungi play essential roles in decomposition and nutrient cycling. Protozoa and algae. Protozoa, single-celled organisms like amoebas, are classified by their movement type. Some move with pseudopodia, cilia, or flagella. Algae, which are photosynthetic, are classified based on their pigment type, like green, red, or brown algae. Importance of microbes. Why should we care about microbes? Well, microbes are everywhere. They're in the soil, the air, our gut, and even on our skin. They help break down organic matter, aid in digestion, produce oxygen, and are even involved in food production, like fermentation. But of course, some microbes can cause diseases, so understanding them helps in medicine and public health. So, whether they're helping to break down food or causing illnesses, microbes are all around us, shaping our world in ways we often don't even realize. I hope this video gave you a better understanding of the structure and classification of these fascinating organisms. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more awesome science content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.